What's going on, guys? Christian Deanne here with Lux Digital Marketing and the Contractor Marketing Gurus. Today, I wanted to take a second to go over a case study. This is actually a report that we do send off to our client. They are a plumbing contractor. So I just wanted to kind of go over those results so you guys have an idea of the results that we get our clients. Again, this is a report directly to them. We have permission to share this, but let's go through this. We can see on the left the baseline of October to where we are now in March. We can see where they were and where they are now and the difference. So, for example, if someone searches plumber in St. Petersburg, we were positioned as 63. Now we are in the top 3. For some of these terms, for example, water heater St. Petersburg FL, we did not show up. If you guys see a dash, we were not even visible at all. Look at all of these different target keywords that we are going after. And we did not rank for any of them. And now we are on the first page, top 5, top 3 for several different terms. In this specific campaign, we are targeting about 60 different terms. Again, all of these from 64 up 5 to 6 pages to being on that first page. We are absolutely crushing this SEO campaign. You guys can see several of these terms in just X amount of months. We've gone from no visibility at all to now we're on the first page for several different keywords. So you can kind of see it starts off with our top positions where we're now number 1, 2, top 5, so on and so forth. And then you can see the progress on these dozens of other relevant keywords. And what we're targeting are general plumbing keywords, but also there are specific services that our client wants us to target in specific geographic areas. So that's what makes up this target list here. So you can see there's a ton of other terms too. We're ranking top 3, 4. Now this is what's really cool is our organic traffic has continued to increase a month after month. We did see that they dropped their paid advertising by about 100%. So when we started this SEO campaign, our client was spending about $15,000 a month. $15,000 a month on ads, Google ads. Our goal was to get them enough organic business to where they don't need to run ads anymore. We got to that point. They are now 100% organic in all the business that they are doing. They don't have to spend $15,000 a month. And what their investment is with us is not, it's less than a third of that. It's less than a third of that, guys. So we hit our goal with them. We're saving them $15,000 a month. Our organic traffic continues to go up. If we're looking at this from the course of a year, it's gone up 142% in organic traffic, and they just started saving $15,000 a month in ad spend. Our authority scores almost doubled since we started. We can see that the Google My Business is receiving more traffic too. We're coming up in more than double the searches. Those are the terms. And we can see we've taken them from 111 phone calls to about 300 phone calls. With last month, we were at 228. And now we're at 299, guys. These are the results that SEO can get your business today. We can increase your organic traffic. We can just about triple your phone calls to your business as well and help you save money on ad spend. Most people are on Google right now searching for your service and they want a company to do business with. They just don't know you exist because you may not be top 3 yet. But guys, if you want some more info, make sure to contact us today. Lux Digital Marketing, Contractor Marketing Gurus. We'll take care of you. Have a good day, guys. See ya.